to steal your heart. Me, I want to steal your heart. Can you see that it's not enough? Can you see that these are lies? All the things that you believe in. You are just a click of mouse. You are just a slave of lust. You are just another lick. You are nothing but greed. Tell me, why are you so curious? Why you want to know it all? Tell me why you search for nothing. Is it pleasant for your soul? Tell me why you are so curious. Why you want to know it all. Tell me why you search for nothing. Is it pleasant for your soul? Tell me everything about you. Maybe I will write it down. You will see your face just smiling with a pretty golden crown. Television lies, television lies. All the papers lie, all the papers lie. All the radio lies, all the radio lies. It's your life, live it as you wish. Don't hurt anyone, don't spy other dreams. Be true to yourself, don't think about the past. Don't sell your ideals and never despise.